Hello.
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 Hello. Yes, I've got an inquiry for certification. Are you looking for career counseling certification?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So look, this is an offline career counseling certification. This is a foundation theory based course. Um,
Mm-hmm.
so there are the pricing is 2,999 rupees. Right. This is an offline module. So,
Okay.
once you make an online payment of 2,999 rupees, you'll be logged into a dashboard, a certification dashboard. On the dashboard, you will find a training material section. Under the training material section, you will have to download the 5 modules. Each module would be
Okay.
around 12-15 pages. So 5 modules would be
Mm-hmm.
around 50-55 pages in all. Right. So you'll have to
Okay.
complete studying these 5 modules anytime within a month. Right, you'll have a month to
Okay.
complete studying. There are people who have completed in 4 5 days also, so you can complete any time within a month. As soon as you complete studying these 5 modules, on the dashboard itself, you will find a 1 hour MCQ test, 120 question, 1 hour MCQ test.
All right.
Right, if you score above 55% in that test, you would automatically be awarded with a career counseling certificate. Right, so this is basically a theory based foundation course, just to gain knowledge about the different kinds of psychometric test and the theory of career counseling. Right,
Yes.
now the next is if you want to start giving live counselings, right, live career counselings to students. Now, actually,
Yes.
in live counseling, it's a different thing when you give live counseling. I mean, the kind of questions mostly are informative based query questions. So what we do
Yes.
is, if there are students like a 12th standard student or a 10th standard student looking for career counseling, we have different
Yes.
packages designed for them, right?
Yes.
So, for example, a 12th standard student, 2,999 rupees, which includes a test. It includes an online test. This is based on the student's interest, aptitude, and personality. It is around 2.5 hours online test, which the
Okay.
student has to complete. Then an automated report is generated on the spot, wherein we have shortlisted careers. And next day we fix up a face-to-face or video counseling with mentors, right? So there is we try to make mentors across India so that these face-to-face counselings, we are looking for mentors to give this face-to-face counseling. Now, in order to become a mentor, your eligibility should be you should at least have a certification, diploma, or degree in career counseling. So basically, after this certification course, you complete a basic foundation course, right? You complete a certification. So you are eligible for a mentor program, for our mentor
Okay.
program to give counselings, live counselings through our career assessment reports. Right. So this is
Okay.
basically to become a mentor, there is a 1,000 rupees lifetime subscription if you are eligible for the mentor program. But after the certification, we are giving this 1,000 rupees worth of mentor program free. So what happens is this is quite similar to the certification program, but it is a shorter duration. So you would be again logged into a mentor dashboard, right? We would unlock this mentor program for free. You would be logged into a mentor dashboard. On the mentor dashboard you will find couple of manuals. So basically, there would be a 10-15 minute explanatory video. So this video would
Mm.
be explaining the structure of our report, the report which is generated from our end for the students. So this would be a
Mm.
summary and explanation of our career assessment report. uh,
Mm-hmm.
and the second material would be a 30-page mentor manual. So basically, when you're giving live counseling, students and parents very often ask you about like the different kinds of degrees, entrance exams, etc. So you should have this kind of knowledge also in order to deliver a good career counseling, right? So this
Mm-hmm.
30-page manual would include like different kinds of degrees, entrance exams. So this is a very short training material. You will just have to go through um, the mentor manual, which is 20-30 page manual, and the report explanatory video. Once completing these two things, you can complete this in one couple of hours also. You can complete studying these two manuals in couple of hours. After that, on the dashboard itself, there would be a 15-minute mentor program, mentor test. So you
Mm.
will have to give this test, 15-minute test. This is a very short test. If you score above 70%, again, you would be unlocked the mentor certificate. So basically, this is a dual certification which you are
Okay.
getting. One would be a career counseling certificate, and the second is a mentor certificate. right? Now, in the mentor, after this completing the mentor program, you would also your profile will go live on our website. Number
Right.
one. Number two, you will get a test referral link generated under your name. So if you have any students, who's interested in counseling, etc., this would be your dedicated link, which would be integrated with your bank account. So basically, if when you forward this links to your referrals, when they make a payment, let's say a 12th standard student, there's a 2,999 rupees package. If he makes an online payment, 40% of the total package directly transfers to your bank account at the point of payment in terms of referral and counseling fees, right? So, and when the student registers and makes a payment through your referral link, you will be able to keep the track of the student details, everything on your dashboard, on your mentor dashboard. The number of tests he's completed, you'll be able to download the report. So there's a student tracker also of your referral link. Apart from that, if we get any counselings, we award you these counselings and we pay you 400 rupees for video counselings and 600 rupees for telephonic counselings. Sorry, for face-to-face counselings. But there is no commitment on the number of counselings we give you. It depends on, as in when the counselings come up in your area, or, if it, so there's no commitment on the number of counselings. Apart from that, there are many other features on the mentor dashboard. We keep generating leads also. So you can, through your wallet credit, you can buy these leads, etc. So basically, we are giving you a micro ecosystem to run your own career counseling setup. So in the whole program, this is 2,999 rupees, which is the certification, which creates a basic theory foundation course base. And the second program is mentor program, which gives you a small ecosystem to start your own career counseling setup. This is a dual certification. In both the certifications, there would be associations. We have associations with the Asia Pacific Career Development Association, International Association of Psychology, Global Career Development. So all these Global Career Development Associations, so all these logos would be printed on your certificates also, on your mentor certificate and the career counseling certificate. Right. So this is basically the career counseling certificate program.
So total cost for this program, I think is total 4,000 rupees, including
2,999.
after completing that, then I need to pay 1,000 again for mentor.
For the mentor program, no. If we'll give you the mentor program for free, and the mentor program is a lifetime subscription. So once you become a mentor and your referral link and all these things are generated, you have that lifetime. There is no renewal charges, nothing.
So there is no charges for mentors, right?
No, but actually there is 1,000 rupees, but since you're taking a certification, you're doing a certification from us, we unlock this 1,000 rupees worth of mentor program free for you. Like if you are already a career counselor, right? I mean, if you have a degree in psychology or counseling, or if you already have a certification of career counseling or a diploma of career counseling, then you would not have to do this 2,999 rupees certification program. You could have directly jumped on that 1,000 rupees mentor program. But you don't have a basic this thing, right? Certificate of career counseling. Like you don't have.
Actually, I have lots of experience in this field, something 4 to 5 years experience in counseling, right? But I have no any certification for counseling.
Right. So this certificate would be a validation. I mean, you would also be a certified career counselor. So you would also have the knowledge about different kinds of tests and everything, psychometric tests and because as a career counseling, you need to have this theory-based knowledge. Although in the live counselings, parents or students don't ask theory-based questions, but just in case, if someone raises a question, your counselor, what is a qualification? So, if we can at least tell them that they have done a certification program from us. So you do have the knowledge also of the basic knowledge career counseling course.
So 2,999 is the basic charges for counseling certification. After completing the counseling
mentor program,
I will go through this program to the mentor, right?
Right.
But there is no charges for mentor if I pass this exam, right?
No, there are no charges for mentor.
Okay, okay. So if I pass the exam for mentors, then I go to this mentor.
You become a successful mentor with us, number one. Number two, you get your own test referral link, right? Which is linked to your bank account. So you can start, forwarding these links to your students who are looking for career counseling. And at the point of payment, 40% is directly transferred to your bank account. Your profile goes live on our website. If we get any counselings, we give you those counselings. And we pay you 600 rupees for face-to-face counseling, and video counseling we pay you 400 rupees. But there is no commitment on the number of counselings. In case we get any counselings in your area, then we forward these counselings to you.
Okay, got it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. I will think about this, and if I ready for that, then I proceed with the link. All right.
All right, I'll forward you the details.
Okay.
Thank you.